Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through a simple, step-by-step guide on how to allow everyone to see your bio on Telegram when using the app on your computer. With the recent update, the layout may look a little different. But don't worry, by the end, you'll know exactly how to change this setting in just a minute or two. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Once it loads up, take a look at the very top corner of your screen. You'll notice three small lines stacked on top of each other. This is the menu button. Go ahead and click on it. When the menu slides open, you'll see several options. What you're looking for here is Settings. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a new page where you can manage all sorts of personal preferences and privacy choices. Inside the Settings page, find and select Privacy and Security. This is the section where Telegram allows you to choose who can see your information, including your phone number, profile photo, and in this case, your bio. Once you're in Privacy and Security, scroll until you see the option for Bio. Click on it, and you'll notice three different choices: Everyone, My Contacts, or Nobody. If you want your bio to be visible to all users, select Everybody. After choosing Everybody, the last step is to make sure the change is saved. Look for the Save button and click on it to confirm. That's it. From now on, your Telegram bio will be visible to anyone who views your profile, no matter if they're in your contacts or not. This small update is useful if you want others to quickly know a little bit about you or find information you're sharing in your bio right away. It works especially well for people who use Telegram for communities, groups, or professional purposes, since visibility can help others recognize you easily. So, just to recap, open Telegram, click on the three lines, head into Settings, then Privacy and Security, select Bio, choose Everybody, and finally, click Save. And that's how you allow everyone to see your bio in the new Telegram PC update.